Hello guys, today I've got the JBL Quantum 950 and I'm going to show you how to manage the game and chat balance in your headphones. So, this is available only when you are paired with your device in the 2.4 GHz connection mode. You can do this on your PC in the Quantum Engine application or in the application on your mobile called JBL Quantum. If you want to know how to pair your device with pair your headphones with your device using the 2.4 GHz connection mode, check our channel. So let's start with going to our application and scrolling down. Game and chat balance. We can move it more to the chat or more to the game. Opposite. More to the game or more to the chat. And now this is the medium option, and here we have yet our button for that. Here on this right, I think, wait a moment. Yes, right earphone, we have got our dongle, dongle. This is just a slider, and with the slider I can do the same thing. But this slider is available without the connection mode, so yeah. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.